Hello everybody! I'm feeling crafty. Let's get our fingers working today. Oggi mi sento creativa. Facciamo lavorare un pochino le nostre dita, our fingers. How? Come? I'll show you. For the craft, per il lavoretto, you'll need felt tip pens, markers, and a black marker e un pennarello nero. Like this one, come questo, con la punta fina. Let's start. Pick your green marker, the green one, and color your finger. Color your finger. Color it very well. Okay, and start using it. Get dark green and color your finger again. Just a little bit, solo un pochino. And tap, 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 tap. This is the grass. Questo è il prato. Now, choose another color. For example, purple, and color another finger. I'm coloring this one. Color. Okay. And tap. Black marker. And do this. This is an Easter egg. È un uovo di Pasqua adesso. We can make another Easter egg. Ne possiamo fare un altro. For example, we can use red. So I color my finger again. Okay. We have another Easter egg. Now, use your little finger and color it. Color it yellow. Coloratelo con il giallo. Ready? Okay. Pick the black marker. It's a chick. È un chick, un pulcino. Now, use this finger and color it grey. Do this. You have a rabbit. Avete un coniglietto, a bunny. Now, color your finger green again. We're going to make more grass. Faremo un po' più di prato. We need more grass. Now, dark green again. We can draw another animal. You'll need brown. Avrete bisogno del marrone. Ready? One and two. Now let's see if you can guess the animal. Vediamo se indovinate che animale è. This is the nose. Can you recognize it? Lo riconoscete? It's a dog, a doggy, un cagnolino. Now, color your thumb, color it yellow. We can make the sun, il sole. Use the yellow marker. The sun, il sole. Choose another color. Scegliete un altro colore. I pick orange. This finger. And here. And here. Oops. More orange. And look. Balloons. Palloncini. Balloons. Now I want to make a cake. Voglio fare una torta. Look carefully. Guardate attentamente. My finger, brown. I color again. Then I color it again. Only here, solo qui, in punta. And I do this. Again. Tap, 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 tap. Now I do this. Yellow. Where is my yellow finger? Here. My yellow finger. And I color it again. Okay. These are the candles. Queste sono le candeline. The candles. Okay, more grass. This finger is very green. Questo dito ormai è davvero, davvero molto verde. Very green. So, more grass. Okay, just a little. Solo un pochino. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Dark green. Okay. Just a little bit. Perfect. We can draw another animal. So, this finger, I'm using pink. Okay, and I do this. Do you know what animal this is? Sapete che animale è? It's a snail. È una lumachina. A snail. Let's have a look at my fingers. Guardiamo le mie dita. Aha. This one. The last one. L'ultima. We can draw more balloons. Possiamo fare più palloncini. More balloons. So, what color can we use? Che colore possiamo usare? What about, che ne dite del blue? So, I can color my finger. Posso colorare il mio dito. Color. Okay. And here. And here. And you can decorate the balloons if you want. Potete decorare I palloncini. Like eggs, come uova. You see? Now it's time to label the picture. È ora di scrivere I nomi sull'immagine. Ready? This is the sun. Sole. S-U-N. This is an Easter egg. Easter, che significa Pasqua. Egg, uovo. Uovo di Pasqua. Easter egg. This is a chick. Un pulcino. This is a rabbit. Il coniglio. This is a dog. Questo è un cane. Oggi. This is a cake. A chocolate cake, una torta al cioccolato. And this is a snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. These are balloons. But this one is a balloon. Now, here, at the top of your drawing, qui in alto, se volete, potete scrivere qualcosa. You can write something. I'll write happy spring. Felice primavera, happy spring.